White chocolate pairs lovely with many different flavors and makes a great choice for frosting. This delicious white chocolate frosting without butter is a great recipe to add to your collection. It is packed full of amazing flavor that is great for cupcakes, cookies, and brownies. This frosting recipe is simple to make, so you don't need to have any prior baking experience. Even though it doesn't have any butter, it still has a creamy and rich texture. You can't go wrong with this frosting recipe for your favorite desserts. Butter versus shortening in frosting. Butter is often used in frosting to give it a delicious flavor and creamy consistency. However, vegetable shortening can be an alternative to butter. Shortening adds texture and consistency to the frosting. Unlike butter, it is not as rich and provides a neutral flavor. Frosting made with shortening is fluffy and light. Frosting that contains shortening can hold up better in warmer weather and has a longer shelf life. Since shortening is 100% fat, it can withstand warm temperatures. The classic buttercream frosting made with butter will begin to separate and melt when exposed to hot weather. Since shortening doesn't have as strong of a flavor profile as butter, it needs more flavor added to it. Sometimes people will use both butter and shortening or use shortening and cream cheese. In other cases, they will add in more flavor additives like extract. What you need to follow these instructions. Ingredients: 2/3 cup white chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons vegetable shortening, 1 package cream cheese, room temperature, 2 tablespoons orange juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, 2 cups confectioner's sugar. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the white chocolate and shortening. Microwave for about 20 to 25 seconds and then stir the mixture. Microwave for another 20 to 25 seconds until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Step 2. In a large bowl using an electric mixer, beat the cream cheese at low speed for about 1 minute. The cream cheese should be smooth. Step 3. After beating the cream cheese, add the white chocolate mixture, orange juice, vanilla, and salt. Beat the frosting until smooth. Step 4. With your mixer at low speed, beat the confectioner's sugar in half a cup at a time. Beat for a total of 2 to 3 minutes until the frosting is a smooth and creamy consistency. Healthy homemade frosting tips and tricks. Since this frosting contains cream cheese, it should be stored in the fridge for best results. It can be kept in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. Let the frosting reach room temperature before serving. This frosting is great paired with white chocolate, red velvet, pumpkin, or carrot cake. In addition, it also goes great with brownies and cookies. It is also great with toppings like chocolate sauce, Oreos, strawberry sauce, or candy. For best results, you should use high-quality white chocolate. Look for brands such as Ghirardelli, Baker's, Nestle Toll House, and Hershey's. These will result in a delicious tasting frosting. Be certain that your cream cheese is at room temperature. Cold cream cheese can curdle and ruin the texture of your frosting. Allow it to sit at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour before using it for your frosting. You can use a piping bag or offset spatula to decorate with this frosting. Thanks to the shortening used, it will be able to hold its shape well. In addition, it will be able to withstand heat better than regular cream cheese frosting, making it great for events. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.